Kia ora, welcome to Otaki and to my gallery, Te Whare Toi o Hori. This Whare Toi is where I try to master the arts, or mahi toi. This is where the magic happens.
Only place it happens.
Shame. Anyways, I've been thinking about the word toi and what that kupu means to me, and the other arts that I've mastered, like the art of rugby. There's also the art of surfing, or toi ekengaru. The art of parenting, toi mātua. Okay, I haven't quite nailed this one.
Look at that!
Let's face it, mastering the arts is hard. Mastering te reo Maori is an art in itself. But lucky for you fellas, Spark have the kupu app, which will help you in your te reo journey for those kupu or words that you haven't quite mastered. So join me, Hori, and my journey as I try to master te reo using the kupu app.